Good morning. I'm outside on my other patio. It is a beautiful morning up in Portland now. Um, I am looking at not a great view, so it looks like we're going to get rain pretty soon. I'll give you a peek at those gray, ominous clouds in a minute. And actually, I'm surrounded by gray, ominous clouds, and I just have a bright blue opening in the clouds, and I'm going to sit out here while I can. The cold started in Medford. Oh, let me have a drink of my coffee, though. I do have my coffee, but then I have to change hands with you because I don't have my stable set up yet. We just got home. We got home last night about dinner time, but we were rather tired. I don't have my favorite mug today. I have a stand-in, but actually this is quite a fine mug. I think it's Hong Kong. We picked this one up. We went to Starbucks in the countries because we're weird like that. And it's kind of like some people go to McDonald's when they travel. We go to Starbucks just to see what their baked goods look like and also to see if they have a really good mug. And Hong Kong happened to have one. So the city mugs we like. We like these city mugs. The state mugs, the new ones, aren't as nice. I like the sculptural ones, so those are the ones we get. It's good too because it helps you keep it under control. There aren't very many of them. But there were none in Tokyo, there were none in Japan, and none in Italy. There were no Starbucks in Italy when we were there. Although I hear tell there is one now. Although I have to say I wouldn't go to one in Italy. That's just wrong. But we got in about 6 p.m. last night. I took a twirl around my yard, and I took you on a twirl around my yard. So I will show you that later. Or even you may have already seen it. I can't decide if I'm going to put it at the front end or the back end of this. The backyard's in pretty good bloom. There's two pink rhodies, a sad red azalea, and my onions are really happy right now, but I only ended up with one measly little garlic, which is sad.
Came back to life.
Huh?
The onions died and came back to life.
Yeah, well, they do that. That's the beauty of onions. That's why I like them so much. Yes, Grayson, the sidekick, is here, filling out paperwork of some form. Um,
Hole punching.
hmm?
I'm hole punching.
A hole punching. Oh, probably for homework. So yeah, that's what we did, and we didn't unpack the car, so the car still yet needs to be unpacked. We went through our mail, which there was a lot of, and I have a bunch of orders to pack as well this morning, so or this afternoon, as the case may be. What I finished in the car, which is what we're going to talk about today. Oh, and now I have to worry about the dog getting his nose into anything I set down because he's here. Okay, stay out of my... So, in 3 days of driving, and I don't remember, there's probably some overlap, this one got done. This is spring, the colorful spring one. I got the colorful... And that colorful spring one I might have done before, I don't remember. Colorful summer one. Finished this spring pathways one, and I've started fairy breath in the green, and this is the fall green, so the mossy green. The color, it's funny because I kind of put this off because I had to think about it, but it's super fun once you get started because it's very rhythmic. So, and that one is almost done. It's long enough for me. I'm just running out the yarn because I like to finish the yarn. I've got 2 more of these to do. And then I think the sets are done after I finish these 2. I might have one more pathways one to do. But, and then the gray set. And then all of the fairy rings will be sampled and done. As well as that, today I've got some items to check in, and I will do some video footage to show you what those items are, and shipping to do. So it's going to be a busy day, and I have a feeling I'm going to want to be inside shortly anyway, so I'm going to sit out here while I can, and then go inside when it starts to rain, because it's coming. I keep hoping we're going to get more of this and less of that, but it doesn't look very promising in the horizon. I will flip you around and show you the sky, and I may pop in again later and talk about some stuff, or I might not.